Dollar Tree has so many cute and fun summer finds, let me show you. Some automatic water blasters that shoot up to 25 feet. Shark and dragon. Some golf sets. Bowling balls. Their Hawaiian section was so cute and fun. The fruit trays were adorable. These would be so cute in a mud kitchen or just a party luau or a berry first birthday party. The flip-flop with the dividers was too cute. And these little fruit water bottles were just so cute. The strawberry and the orange and lime. These glasses were so fun. They had ice cream and flamingo and sharks and the pineapple. These tumblers were probably my favorite. They look so much like summer to me. And they had so many different color options. This one's probably my favorite. Reminds me of a pina colada. And their luau stuff. They had it all. The watermelon dishes were adorable. These cups looked so cool. The texture on them and the color. They had lots of those with different color options as well. The white and blue and the lemon hot pads. And the fruit trays. So many bubbles and some little bubble makers. This cute little strawberry was so cute and fit right in with the theme of the other stuff. This cupcake bubble thing would be so cute for a birthday. And this octopus. These balls looked so neat. I was hoping they were squishy, but they weren't. They were really hard. They had a bunch of water balloons. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not for that many. Some water floaties. In their garden section, they had so many flowers and potting mix and things to choose from. Here's the flowers. So many different color options. And this mini garden that came with everything. That would be such a fun experiment to do with the kids. Lots of garden supplies. And then they had some other random stuff. This would make such a cute Father's Day gift to insert some photos. This one was really cute for Mother's Day or just for some decor in a girl's room. They were just all so cute. The star for the 4th of July. The heart case, this one right here was my favorite. And these nail gems would be so cute for a craft. I just can't think of what to use them for right now, but they would work so well with things. Like for more store summer finds.